European Union has put in cold storage its funding pact with Beijing. On the other hand, EU will try to revive free trade pact with New Delhi in the joint summit. EU's trade investment deal with China has been suspended following tit-for-tat sanctions on EU parliamentarians by Beijing. Since March this year, animosity has grown many-fold between EU and China. The EU imposed sanctions on Chinese officials over human rights abuses against Uyghur Muslims. China responded by sanctioning EU parliamentarians and soured the relationships further, keeping the investment deal on thin ice. The EU Trade Commissioner on the matter said, "The agreement needs to be legally reviewed and translated before it can be presented for adoption and ratification. Chinese retaliatory sanctions targeting members of the European Parliament are unacceptable. The prospects for ratification will depend on how the situation evolves." Since 2013, EU has been working on a free trade deal with India as well. It was then put on hold. However, now European Union is turning towards India, its best bet for free trade. The EU-India summit on May 8 will decide the future course of action for this deal. Prime Minister Modi will discuss with 27 members of the European Union this ambitious, comprehensive and mutually beneficial trade agreement. EU's draft statement took a jibe at expansionist China's abuses. The statement read, "Our partnership will promote a transparent, viable, inclusive, sustainable, comprehensive and rules-based connectivity. We must emphasize our commitment to free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific space, underpinned by respect for territorial integrity, sovereignty, democracy and rule of law." India's chances to grab the deal look promising. Ahead of India-EU Leadership Virtual Summit, the European Investment Bank on Friday announced donation worth €250,000 to India in response to the escalating COVID-19 crisis. EIB President Hoyer said that European investment banks stand by India during these challenging times and the donation is a sign of solidarity and support.